Ready to ditch your Joy-Cons for a DualShock without losing all your hard-earned Fortnite loot? First, head over to the Epic Games website on your computer or mobile device. Click Sign In and choose the Nintendo Switch icon. This will sign you in using your Nintendo account credentials. Once logged in, go to Account Settings. You can usually find this under your profile or a similar menu option. Look for the Connected Accounts section. This is where the magic happens. Find the PlayStation Network logo and hit that Connect button. It will prompt you to sign into your PlayStation Network account. Enter your PlayStation Network email and password. Make sure this is the account you want to use for Fortnite on your PS4. A confirmation prompt will pop up asking if you want to link the accounts. Confirm that you are ready to merge these accounts. Once connected, your Nintendo Switch Fortnite progress is now linked to your PlayStation Network account. You will now see both accounts as connected. Boot up Fortnite on your PS4 and log in with your PlayStation Network account. Your skins, Battle Pass progress, and bucks should all be there, ready to go. Now you can enjoy Fortnite on your PlayStation 4, with all your hard-earned progress intact. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful gaming tips.